What's going on, folks? I want to make this video because I spent a lot of time online as well as going to different stores looking for some jeans pretty much that fit me well. I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm around like 6'3", around 240, 250. So I had problems finding jeans that I actually like. So what I wound up doing is going online and wound up going to Old Navy. Surprising to me, I actually found jeans at Old Navy that actually fit me very well. What I got right here are called loose built-in flex jeans. And I really like these jeans because they actually fit me really well. They don't feel tight on me, so when I move, they pretty much can move with me very well. And also another problem I had is at the bottom of a lot of jeans, it's kind of tight down here. Well, these right here actually are pretty wide at the bottom to where they go over my shoes nicely. So I want to make this video for those of you all who may be also looking for some jeans that have problems finding, because I have like kind of a particular style that I like to wear. I'm not really into the tight jeans as much as a lot of people may be. So like I said, I spent a lot of time looking around, and after that looking, I came upon these. Like I said, I came in different colors. I got some blue ones, some stone wash ones, as well as these black ones, and I really like them a lot. This is not any type of a pay or promotion or nothing like that. This is exactly me wearing and telling you all what I got that actually fits me very well. So I'm going to be putting a link into this video to Old Navy just in case you are looking for some jeans that fit you well. And I think you really like these. They're pretty comfortable. Like I said, I can move around in them good when I'm working on stuff like that. I like my jeans pretty much to move with me. They have a kind of a stretch with them too that makes it actually flow with my body pretty much versus me feeling stiff on them. So I just wanted to make this video for those of you all who may be looking for some jeans that's having problems, that you might want to check out Old Navy and look for the loose built-in flex jeans pretty much, where pretty much fit me very well. They come in all different sizes and multiple different colors. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.